Okay.
This is crazy. Crazy for September 9th, I think.
We're supposed to get in a foot of snow.
A foot of snow, yeah.
Fucking light burned down already?
No, don't tell me that.
It's off.
The light burned out?
Fucking things suck.
Did not see this coming. And it always seems to happen when we go on vacation.
Yeah.
We're so lucky that way. Vacation time. Getting out of here.
Somewhere cool.
Going somewhere cool, okay. Where are we going?
Jackson Hole.
Jackson Hole. Okay.
Jackson Hole hideout.
Well, now you finally get to relax. You know, everyone's always worried about how hard Brian works, so.
Yep.
Yep.
Relaxing time.
Time to kick up your
4
feet.
days.
4 days. Pretty nice. Nice little woodsy view. We just saw a deer. You're all cozy. Your little
That big furry blanket that's in there on the outside.
Yeah. Your little mountain getaway. Just like you always wanted.
Just like I was. Get away from our getaway.
Get away from our getaway. What are you looking at out here?
Looking at how all those pine trees split at the top.
Yeah.
Soaking it all in.
What have you appreciated most about Wyoming in the summertime?
Mountains. Got really majestic, tall mountains. Pretty cool. So what do you appreciate about Wyoming?
What was very striking to me is that all of the rocks are round. all the pebbles, all of the rocks on the side of the road. You know, it's not the Rocky Mountains, but everything's smooth like it came out of a river or a glacier, I guess. Good for landscaping. Well, time to go home.
Relaxing time's over.
Relaxing time's over. Yeah.
Go through the project list.
Yeah. So guys, driving home, we're connecting back into Colorado world, and we've been warned of a storm coming up. It's been all over everybody's Facebooks, and it's been all over the news, apparently, that there's a sudden cold snap happening in Colorado and Denver and the mountains in particular, especially our place. And looking at the weather app now, we're only 2 days out, and it's gone from winter storm watch to winter storm warning. It's calling for up to 15 inches of snow in the mountains. And, you know, in our area, it's 5 to 8 inches, and we usually get the higher end of that total. So it's going to be really interesting to see what happens. We have a lot of stuff to take care of when we get home, which is unfortunate. After a long drive, you want to just kind of relax, but we have a lot of stuff to do before the storm hits and before this cold weather hits tonight. So, guys, we got to get busy. Well, we're almost home, and I'm keeping a close eye on the temperature. 68. So I'm going to have to see how far the temperature drops.
By tomorrow.
By tomorrow.
What's it supposed to do?
It's supposed to get down to the 20s or something.
For overnight?
Overnight, yeah. I think by the low 30s overnight. So it's going to drop tonight. This was something that happened last time we were on vacation, when we went to Hawaii last year, and we had an unexpected cold snap like this, and there was nothing we could do about it, and came back and the pipe was busted from freezing. Luckily, I think our neighbor was thinking ahead. He came and watered our garden for us when we were gone, and he took the hose off. So we're not worried about that, at least just double checking that that's not connected right now. So now I've got to cover the plants and just make sure all my nice flowers aren't completely frozen over by tomorrow. And the garden too. It is definitely cooling off. Apparently it was 80 degrees or more today, but temperature's dropping, and it's going to drop really fast tonight. So okay, so
Like that.
So we'll put this one on.
Guess I should screw these down probably because it's going to be windy.
Yeah, it's going to be really windy. The gusts could be 50 miles an hour, and everything is just coming up. You know, I got these little baby peas, and I've got green beans coming, and the lettuce looks fantastic, and the kale, and I just hate to lose it all. So doing a makeshift greenhouse here. Cover everything. So we're going to use a halogen light to create some heat and make a tent for them with, it's like Tyvek, pretty sturdy, and just make like a little tent and have the light create some heat in there. See if that helps. Snug as a bug in a rug.
Yeah.
Okay, garden is secure. One more job to do. Take care of the bees. So step one, I'm going to secure the entrances, reduce them. These So, blanket for insulation, ratchet strap to keep the wind from taking it off. High winds coming. Okay, well, I think that's it.
I think so.
High five.
Now can we eat dinner?
Now can we eat dinner? Yeah. Now can we go sit down?
Yeah. Not that we haven't been sitting all day.
On the couch, though.
Yeah.
Okay. Bring it on, Storm.
No. Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Oh, guys, can you believe it? So, getting done right before it gets dark. Not exactly what we wanted to do.
No. 80 degrees today. It's supposed to be 16 tomorrow night.
Yeah, so it's like we had to do this tonight. The temperature is actually supposed to drop into the 30s, maybe the 20s tonight, and then start snowing after midnight. And tomorrow's going to be just a whirlwind.
Yeah.
Crazy.
So, and the lettuce and the kale's looking great. We hate to lose it.
Yeah.
So, it's supposed to be back up in the 70s next week.
Yeah.
So it'll be just a couple of days, hopefully, of the cold weather. Hopefully the light bulbs will hold out.
Do you guys think it'll work? Hopefully it will. But, we had a great time on our vacation. I hope you guys enjoyed sharing that footage with you of Wyoming. We really loved it up there.
That was good.
Yeah. So we needed a getaway, needed a little break. Enjoy ourselves a little bit.
I think we need to do that every 3 months or so.
Okay. We'll plan it.
Take a break.
So we'll keep you posted on the storm, guys, to let you know what happens after tomorrow, okay? Thanks for joining. We'll see you next time.
All right. Bye.